Last time we were in San Antonio, soaking in the sights and culture of that vibrant city. But this week, we're shifting gears to something completely different, Magnolia Beach. After leaving San Antonio behind, we found ourselves in this peaceful, remote spot right on the Gulf. And let me tell you, this place has been full of surprises. The first thing we noticed? The sunsets. Every single night. It's like the sky was putting on a show just for us, painting the horizon with colors that you could hardly believe were real. Reds, pinks, purples. Seriously, it's like someone was messing with the saturation in real life. And then, out of nowhere, big waves. Like the kind you don't expect to see on such a calm beach. Turns out, those massive ships way out there on the horizon are the culprits. Even though they're miles away, they send these huge waves rolling in right up onto the shore. It's wild to see. One minute it's calm, and the next we've got ocean swells crashing in like a little mini storm. Dinner tonight, we're getting fancy with some chicken wings.
It looks amazing. Round one.
The only bummer is we can't fit them all in the air fryer because we have too many. So we got a few more rounds to go. Oh, and this was a first for me. Jellyfish. We found a few washed up on shore, and yes, I know I'm a grown adult, but I've never seen one in person before. So yeah, that was a little adventure in itself. Found a jellyfish. Actually, the first jellyfish I've ever seen. We just found a jellyfish washed up. Found another one. Magnolia Beach is kind of a hidden gem for boondockers. It's one of the few places along the Gulf where you can park right on the sand for free. No hookups, no fees, just you, your rig, and the ocean. It's such a peaceful escape with nothing but the sound of the waves and the occasional boat passing by. There are so many seashells out here. It's crazy. And they're all like super different too.
The sand here is more like crushed shells, which is awesome because even after a good rain, it stays solid and you don't have to worry about sinking in the mud. And there's plenty of room to spread out, so even though we've seen a handful of other RVers, everyone kind of gets their own little slice of beach. For those of you thinking about boondocking here, the town of Port Lavaca is just a few minutes away if you need to stock up on supplies, dump takes, or even grab a bite to eat. But honestly, once you get settled in here, it's hard to find a reason to leave. We spent most of our days just soaking up the sun, watching the waves roll in, and enjoying the slower pace that comes with boondocking.
And if you're into wildlife, there's plenty here to see. Lots of birds, dolphins, and as we discovered, the occasional jellyfish washed up on shore. It's a great spot just to relax and reconnect with nature. They've also got these like gazebo dealios people can pull up to and use for the day. So that's pretty neat. I don't think they're using them just for the day either. Pretty little flower just growing on the beach.
Plus, the nearby parks have some shaded picnic tables, showers, fishing pier, and even a little boat ramp if you're feeling a little adventurous. All in all, Magnolia Beach is a boondocker's dream, quite beautiful and a perfect place to unwind after busier travel days.
It's been a quiet, relaxing break, but next we're heading back to city life in Corpus Christi. Make sure to tune in for that. It's going to be a fun one. And as always, thanks for joining us on this adventure. Until next time, see you, bye!